Kev G, weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? Well, here's the current radar. It's around 6 o'clock when I'm recording this, and we have showers and thunderstorms that are near Ohio and PA. They're making their way east, and some are even bubbling up in central PA, but a lot of them are on the light side. I don't think many areas will see anything tonight. I think you got to wait till the end of the week before we see anything substantial as far as rainfall is concerned. First shot at it is Wednesday, and then Thursday night to Friday we have another shot at potentially even a more widespread soaking rain, for a change. We haven't had that in a while. In fact, Central Park is running 2.82 below where they should be in terms of rainfall this month, and they are 1.8 degrees above normal for the month. And a lot of these 80-degree days plus, they were achieved after the 20th of September. So very impressive. We've all benefited from the late summer weather, and it looks like, based on the overall pattern, that is all coming to an end this week. So if you have a fall jacket, get it ready, because by the end of the week, it looks like we are going to be in fall gear around here across the tri-state area. But before that happens, record warmth appears likely for Wednesday. So let's get to the details as we look at tropical tidbits and we look at the GFS. Now, a cool high is going to build in for tomorrow and Monday, and that'll allow our temperatures to come down somewhat. We'll be in, closer to where we should be this time of year, in the low to mid 70s. But as that high kind of builds back towards the west, we warm up quick. So starting Tuesday, we have highs in the 70s to near 80, and then by Wednesday, we have a very warm, humid day that would do midsummer proud. In fact, I think record warmth is likely based on what I'm seeing from the National Weather Service. And especially if you live in an urban location, we could be talking about temperatures flirting with 90 degrees on Wednesday. Now, the front that's going to be responsible in part for changing our overall weather pattern is going to be hung up to our north on Wednesday morning, but it'll build towards the area Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. So I think we have a fair shot at showers and thunderstorms, especially considering the fact that we're going to be very warm, very humid with this front to our north. And I like when the front is to the north. I feel like we get more of a push down from the north when it's coming down the Hudson Valley as opposed to going west to east. I'm talking about the coastal areas. These storms just have a better chance of making it all the way to the coast. So I would plan on showers and thunderstorms for Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. Then that front gets hung up along the and to our north. So I think we're stuck in clouds for Thursday, keeping our temperatures down into the lower and mid 70s, and then the models are trying to spin up a coastal storm or some sort of area of low pressure for Thursday night and Friday, and that would give us perhaps a decent shot at a half inch to an inch of rain. But that remains to be seen. So that's something we'll have to keep an eye on for late in the week. But the main story as we go into Friday and the weekend is the much cooler temperatures. We're supposed to be near 70 this time of year. I think that both weekend days, based on what I'm seeing, we're looking like we're going to be stuck in the lower to mid 60s, and you can plan on 40s at night as we really settle into a fall-like weather pattern. How about a guest appearance from AccuWeather 7? I mean, isn't this a cool graphic? Like them on Facebook and Twitter. But look at that, 89 for Wednesday and feeling fine. That'll be the last gasp of summer-like weather around here for, I think, a good while. I think, we can get above normal days as we go into October, where it's, maybe the odd day we get 75 degrees or something like that. But I think this is for a while anyway, this is the last of this type of heat and humidity that we've got going on, it looks like, for this middle upcoming week. And then we cool it down dramatically for the weekend, and I'll update you on the rainfall chance. But fall is settling in across the tri-state area, especially late week.